Now joined by Dr.Kizza Besigye's lawyer, Elias Lukwago, who will be taking us through the events as of today and the way forward, of course. Thank you very much for joining us, Lord Mayor. Can you update us on the current status of Dr. Besigye's case following the proceedings from today?
As we informed you this morning, yes, the steps taken to have the due process at least observed, we were positive in that particular regard, in that finally we have now shifted our way from the military realm to the civilian realm, and probably that would give us a ray of hope that the due process will have to be followed. The unfortunate bit is that Dr. Besigye is not in good health, and that was evident to everybody. It was quite obvious, and the magistrate did not in any way make orders that would at least address the situation, because we sought for some interventions. The Constitution under Article 23 provides for that remedy, that court can direct transfer of the suspect or the person on remand to a better medical facility at their own cost. And Dr. Besigye was willing to pay. Unfortunately, the magistrate declined to grant the order. The other thing is that, yes, we have started on the process of applying for bail. Again, we sought for orders that he signs the papers from court this morning, and strange things happened. The magistrate granted the prayer, but the prisons authorities again barred us from proceeding with the process, because we were ready with the affidavit, and we had the commissioner for oath in court, and we wanted the process to be moved very fast. They refused.
So you filed a habeas corpus recently, and you're yet to get the position of court. And now Dr. Besigye has been transferred and his file uncharged. Where does this leave your application in the High Court, and does it still hold?
Well, it's now up to the trial judge, Justice Douglas Singiza, to determine the fate of that matter, whether it's now rendered nugatory or it is still of some value. Probably they design it that way, that it becomes a moot case, what you can call an academic matter. Because right now, I think they can only argue that, please, he has been now produced before courts of law. It is overtaken by events. I suppose that's what they are about to say. But that doesn't augur well with the dispensation of justice. And I think it will live to haunt Justice Douglas Singiza, with all due respect, because he ought to have offered a remedy the other day when he had the matter. Unfortunately, he didn't. But obviously, there is the aspect of Aaron Chiza, who is in Ruzira, in Chitalia, and was unjustifiably, convicted. And we want that also to be addressed. It is still before Justice Singiza. So probably the decision will be in that regard. But for the case of Dr. Kizza Besigye, well, let's wait to hear what the judge has to say.
Thank you very much for that update from your end. Now moving